Yeah, so it's nearly 12 o'clock, and we've done some work and we made some progress. So I'm gonna put these overhead cams somewhere in the yard, and I'll switch them on and off every now and then. So they're fully charged, and the disc has been erased, so we're all good. We've had to take an hour off. I've had this chipboard. It's really not, I don't like it. I don't favour building with it because it can fall apart. You get it wet, it falls apart, but it's alright for indoor things like toy boxes and stuff. So I might do something like that with the rest of it, but I made that offcuts box down there. I had to take an hour off to make that. But here's the mud kitchen. It's got the elements on. I didn't have any black paint, so I painted them red. I had some roofing paint, so I painted the oven itself white, off-white. But I'm just going to put the back on it And that's it. I'm going to put it on Marketplace for sale.